So just got my Oura Ring sizing kit. Gonna wear it for about 24 hours before I decide my size. They recommend you wear it on this finger, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it on the, how'd you guys go? Do it on my thumb. 24 hours, we'll see. Still under the weather, but I've been wearing this ring, the size 9, to basically to see if that's the size I want to order, and it is. And then my size just came, my ring just came. Let's check it out. I'm just doing unboxing. I'm a little curious about this tape. You see, it's not open, so that's good. Good things come in small packages. That's cute. Since I am doing this myself. Health is a beautiful thing. Yes, it is. Oh, courtesy of MX. I got it in silver, size 9. If y'all can focus on that 9. Well, let's set it out. And voila. There it is. What's on the charging case? Here it is. Here it is, y'all. So here's my Oura Ring on my finger, and I wear it on my thumb. It does wonders. It even predicted when I was sick, and I did have the flu. But yeah, I do like it in comparison with the Apple Watch. To me, they work hand in hand. I don't wear my Apple Watch to sleep, but I do wear my Oura Ring to sleep, and I don't have to charge it for like a whole 7 days. So thank y'all for watching. Until next time, bye.